So how can you undo the crop of a video in the iPhone using iMovie? Let's explain all of that and let's get started. So if it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that way you'll never miss anything important. So into your iMovie, you can of course bring in and import your clips that you want to edit and perform some changes on. And yeah, you can do whatever you want, but the iMovie always works in the landscape horizontal video format. Like it's always the same aspect ratio. So your photos and videos will likely get zoomed in. But if not, you can still manage it by selecting the clip at the bottom in the timeline, then clicking on the magnifying glass in the top right corner, and you have some degree of, wiggle room, let's say, to adjust the zoom and the position, but it's still like very limited if you ask me. So at least you can get something done. So usually in my videos, I also want to show you like the alternatives. So in my case, I would just switch to a different video editor, for example, CapCut, which is free to download and use for the most part. There are some paid features, but in there you have much more control over the aspect ratio and the zoom and all of the cropping things, right? So perhaps you will enjoy or get more use out of the third-party app compared to iMovie. So I hope that I explained something to you. If you learned something new, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see some more advanced videos about anything, just comment the topic below. It's possible I'll make the updated video about that. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.